Hi there. This is Alex from Essential Web Apps. And, in this Figma tutorial, we will learn how to make this cool glass effect. But before that, we make videos regularly. If you want to see videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. So, let's go to the Figma. First, let me type glass effect. It will work as a background reference. In your project, it could be something else. But, here, I'm taking this. Now, I'll draw a rectangle. Let's give it a bit corner radius. Just to make it look good. Okay, now, make it white, with a 20% opacity. By the way, you can put any color or number and play with it. Then, let's apply the background blur effect. It's down here, in the drop-down box. Now, I'm gonna put here 30. Because that's what works for me. But, you can test any other number here. And, as you can see, it already looks like a frosted glass. But, let's make it a bit more realistic. So, for that, I will add a 3-pixel border. I am gonna change it from solid to radial, or maybe linear. Okay, that looks good. Change the color to white and change the black opacity here. I am gonna put color points on the corners. Make it a bit dark grayish. Okay. Looks better now. Now, I am gonna add shadow from the Effect tab. Shadow gives a good depth of field, and make it more realistic. Again, don't bother about the numbers here. You can test your own numbers. Let's reduce the opacity. Okay. Now, I think it looks better. So, there you go. This is the glass effect that you can make by Figma very easily. What's you else to know on Figma? Let me know in the comment section. And, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, I will see you in the next video.